This video teaches you how to bend a word or phrase in a Microsoft Word document. Open your Word document. Select a word or phrase. Click the Insert tab. Click WordArt. Clicking it prompts a drop-down menu. Select a WordArt appearance. Click Text Effects. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Transform. Selecting it prompts a pop-out menu. You should see 4 curved options in the Follow Path section of the drop-down menu. Click the one you want to use to apply it to your selected text. If you want to bend your text around a circular object, click the Rotate option in this drop-down menu. Adjust your WordArt's appearance. Click and drag in or out any of the white dots to shrink or enlarge the word or phrase. Click and drag the yellow dot to adjust the curvature of the word or phrase. When you're done adjusting the text, save your changes. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.